Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable service updates in the Fonacab Belfast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the contact preferences button. And within this section, look for the send me service updates button. And just click on the white circle next to it to enable it. And once it turned green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.